What is going on, guys? This is your main man Ben here, and today we got another tech reviews, and this is a very overdue review that I've been doing because I've been stuck in one keyboard for at least 10 years now, and I think it's about time since the evolution of mechanical keyboards, primarily the adoption of mechanical keyboards in the gaming community has been widely accepted. So I have been using this CM Storm gaming keyboard for at least, I would say, 5 or 8 years now, and it has been very nice keyboard, I must say. And I gotta confess, I try to use the macro keys in here, but recently I did not use it. I did not like the software, so I ended up not using the macro keyboards. But like what I said, 7 to 8 years owning it, it has served me a majority of gaming that I do, StarCraft, Diablo, Counter-Strike, Dota, and not to mention editing videos and music and all that stuff. This is my go-to keyboard. This is my go-to keyboard. So today we're gonna talk about a keyboard that is under PICTEK or PICTEK. So I'm quite familiar with this brand. See that logo? That logo I have been using for my gaming mouse. Remember that review? I put a link in there. And I have one as well for my office use. So today, let's test this guy and see what we can come up with. So this is what we got, guys. Right at the bat, brand new. And the key features that I like about this one is we're gonna talk about the anti-ghosting of this device. Very important for gaming. I believe they come with this tool right here. It's for removing the keys. Very nice. All right, look at this. Ooh, that is so snappy. I can hear that click. Okay. Right off the bat, I can tell you right now, the compactness, the structure of this is different. The evolution of keyboards came long way. So they don't waste any space in here. You have that very compact design. What I tell you about compact design is, I'm gonna give you that quick comparison here with the CM Storm. This is the CM Storm. Okay, I'll put this aside real quick. CM Storm, PICTEK. You see the difference. CM Storm has this little edge in here. You can see that. PICTEK has nothing. You can see that it's like direct approach. Maximizes everything. Now, this keyboard does not have the detachable USB in here, not like the CM Storm. The CM Storm has this detachable keys or wire that you can replace right there. It doesn't have that on this PICTEK, but mind you, PICTEK is around 35 bucks. Doesn't have that feature, but the tactileness of the blue, you can hear this for this guy right here. This one, yeah, the blue is much tactile. So it's a very simple design gaming keyboard, adapts a semi-submerged appearance design only with a light tap. 20 different lighting modes and effects, including 6 RGB in this one. It's blue switch, so you can really hear that tactileness. Okay, as soon as I turned it on, you can see that it lit up so nice. It is very, very nice, guys. I'm telling you. And what I noticed is that there's got a split of colors in here. You can see that. RGB definitely is showing it, and it shifted to different colors. So I believe we can program this as one color, or we can just leave it as is, which I don't mind because it's really bright and it's really catchy. I like it. Paired with the I'm becoming a PICTEK guy with their gaming mouse. It's really, really good mouse. I'm telling you that. For my style of playing, I like it a lot, but wow. Let's hear some kind of clickiness if we like it or not, and we'll find out. You can see how bright this is when you play in dark mode and you don't want to play with lights on, or you're not streaming and you just want to play directly. This is pretty bright. I like it a lot. Yo, the snappiness and the response of this keyboard is unparalleled. If you ask me, if I have and own this keyboard at this price point, at $34, yo, this is a steal. Just saying, I'm already enjoying it. Not just for editing, not just for playing. How much more on editing? Oops. Headshot right there. You can hear my computer already, but it's mechanical keyboard. You expect that clickiness. That's what I like about playing, is that the response that you're getting, it's not just you playing, geeking into the computer, but you have that sense of, touch, the sense of feel of what you're doing. Like quick release, right there, another headshot. You're feeling it, and you can feel that clickiness of a blue switch. It's very nice. Expect that it's gonna be a little bit noisy, since you know what you're going through. It's a mechanical keyboard, but my goodness, just the color scheme, price, I think it's a steal. This keyboard is a blue switch, which is best for tactile feedback. Also, it has this compact structure, simple design, which is gaming keyboard adopts to a semi-submerged appearance design. It also has this 20 different lighting modes and effects, including 6 RGB lighting effects, 6 rainbow lighting effects, and 8 monochromatic lighting effects. That is a lot of lighting. And best of all, it has this anti-ghosting and multimedia functions. So the full keys of the gaming keyboard are conflict-free, which is more user-friendly and provide you with smooth gaming experience. It also has this advanced splash resistance technology combined with high-quality semi-floating keys with precision drain holes, which allows the keyboard to prevent damage caused by spilled drinks or any liquids. And best of all, PICTEK promises to provide 18 months of warranty if you have any issues with the device. Alright, overall thoughts on this keyboard. Bro, currently right now, it's $35.99 in Amazon, okay? Save an extra $4 for a coupon. So you're looking around $31.99. This is a solid effing keyboard. Sorry about the effing, but $31, let's put it that way. Forgot to mention, it has this little stand in here. It has this grip. It doesn't really matter to me because that grip, I got some mats in here to make it so smooth. But if you got a hard surface, it's gonna stick. And the legs in here, it's also got rubber coating in it, so it's gonna stick. 31 bucks. Would I recommend this? What do you think? Yeah, it's very good. paired with this guy, I'm just saying, man. I'm just saying. Once again, I'm gonna put the link in there for the reviews of this mouse paired with this guy. You got a legit setup for less than 60 bucks. If you caught some coupons and deals. But overall, guys, appreciate you watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Always remember, God is good all the time. This is your main boy. Peace out.